Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission to help you decide what love making next. Before we jump into this next kit, I just want to make an appeal out to you. We're trying to get the channel to a break-even point. Right now, we're heavily in the red, so we're just putting out a little appeal there. If you could possibly afford it, 99 cents a month will give you early access to our videos, which definitely help support the channel. We're also going to be showing you our favorite candies, and we'll put them link in the description. Buying these candies will, of course, support the channel, as well as give you something yummy to eat. Today's candy are barley sugars. Charles and Butler, Artisan Confectioner, makes this. I do get this from Amazon. So yes, please do look at the link in the description. They are very yummy. They are on the large side. I'll show you what one looks like. Yeah, so they come in that package, and they're pretty hefty in size. The one's going to be a good chunk in your mouth for quite a while. They almost have a buttery flavor. They're not crazy sweets, even though they're made out of technically all sugar. They're not crazy sweets. Again, just kind of a mild buttery taste and a little bit of sweetness here. So yeah, take a look in the description, please, and purchase that if you want something yummy. All right, well, let's jump into it here. So this is the Owl desk lamp. I did purchase this from Temu, as you can tell, because the box is pretty scrushed up. But I've seen worse. Let's get her opened up here. I have the bottom open here apparently already. Let's get it opened up and see what we got inside here. Okay, these are definitely Lego-sized bricks, but they are not Lego bricks. This is definitely a fLego kit, fake Lego. They do have number bags, which is always a good thing. Here is our book. So yeah, it does have a light brick right there, or lighting bricks, I should say, to help give it a nice bright shine, hopefully. Let's take a quick look in here. And already I like that besides having numbered bags, it gives you the bricks that are already on there, they gray out and just give you the color of the new brick being added, which is what I like quite a bit. It can be a little bit difficult to pick them out if they don't change the colors like that. But yeah, I mean, everything looks pretty decent to follow there. Let's look in the back here. Yeah, we've got a list of bricks in the back. It looks like a fun kit. I'm pretty jazzed about doing it. It's been around for a while there, just waiting for me to get to it, but I'm there now, so let's get her built. Of course, we'll get it built on camera and then give it a good review. Well, let's get building. Okay, all done. Let's review this Owl desk lamp for you. We definitely can recommend this kit to you, as it turned out beautifully and was fun to build. But it is very fragile. Most of the bricks performed very well. However, there were some small arc pieces that didn't like to stay on if you touched them. But that was the worst thing in the kit. It otherwise makes a great piece to show off. I love the owl's feet on the perch, and they did a great job with its face. But what really sets it off is the lighting they built into the chest. It really is something else to behold. The brown floor elements off to the side of the perch add to its overall beauty. Well, thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. We appreciate your support. Please continue to like these videos and subscribe. Please consider joining us. We could use the financial support. We're deeply in the red. We would like to get to the channel to the point of breaking even. We do not get our kits for free. We buy them all. And we definitely want to keep building things for you so you can find out what to love making next. All right. Thanks again so much for watching.